me at me. It flaps around, it acts so wild, but I know the truth, it's government design. Birds aren't real, no, they're robots in disguise, charging on the power lines, watching us with spying eyes. Birds aren't real, it's a government surprise. They're filming, they're recording, every move is analyzed. Seagulls steal my fries, but why would they do that? They scan my DNA and send it to a secret lab. The sparrow on my fence, it may look cute and small, but don't be fooled, it hears you talking, it records it all. Birds aren't real, no, they're robots in disguise, charging on the power lines, watching us with spying eyes. Birds aren't real, it's a government surprise. They're filming, they're recording, every move is analyzed. Once they were real, but now they're gone, replaced by secret spy drones flying all day long. They have cameras in their wings, antennas in their beaks, and we never noticed. How could we be so weak? So next time you see a dove, don't wave, don't smile. It's sending live footage straight to a government file. Birds aren't real, no, they're robots in disguise. So watch your back, 'cause Big Brother's in the sky.